Last month, I stopped paying for a copywriter, a graphic designer, a voiceover artist, a video editor, and a virtual assistant. Not because business slowed down, because 5 AI tools made them all optional. Today, I'm showing you exactly which tools I'm using, what each one replaced, and the real cost breakdown, including the numbers that surprised me. Here's the thing about freelancers. They're great. Some of the best I've worked with produced incredible results, but the cost stacks up fast. A mid-tier copywriter, $1,200 a month. A graphic designer for brand and social content, another $1,500. A VA handling scheduling, research, and outboxes, $1,000. Voiceover for video projects, $500. A video editor, another $1,000. That is $6,000 a month. $72,000 a year. For a solopreneur or small business, that's not a line item. That's a survival decision. And the work I was paying them for? Writing copy, creating social graphics, recording narration, cutting short-form video, managing my inbox. Every single one of those tasks now has an AI tool that handles it at a fraction of the cost. I'm going to show you 5 tools. You can run the entire stack for under $110 a month. That replaces over $6,000 in monthly freelance spend. Let's go tool by tool. I'll show you exactly how I use each one, not just what it can do on paper. Tool number 1, Claude Pro, $20 a month. This replaced my copywriter, and it's doing things my copywriter couldn't do fast enough. Claude Pro runs on Anthropic's latest models, Opus 4.6 and Sonnet 4.6. The context window is 200,000 tokens, which means you can paste in your entire brand guide, your product catalog, past emails, and Claude holds all of it in memory while writing. My copywriter needed 2 weeks to get up to speed on our brand voice. Claude does it in 60 seconds if you paste in the right context. Here's exactly how I use it. I open a new conversation. I paste in, here is our brand voice document, past campaign copy, and the product I need to write about. Then I say, write a 5-email welcome sequence for new subscribers, written in this exact tone. Output, 5 polished emails, on brand with hooks and CTAs, done in under 3 minutes. I also use Claude for YouTube scripts, LinkedIn posts, cold outreach templates, and product page rewrites. It's the only tool on this list I use every single day. The affiliate link is in the description. At $20 a month, it's the highest leverage buy on this entire list. Tool number 2, Midjourney Standard Plan, $30 a month. This replaced my graphic designer for social media and marketing assets. Midjourney V7, released earlier this year, is photorealistic in a way earlier versions were not. Brand visuals, product mock-ups, social media imagery, and thumbnail concepts that would have cost hundreds in freelance time. Here's how I use it. I go to midjourney.com. I write a detailed prompt. Dark tech startup office at night, dual monitors glowing blue, a single entrepreneur working focused, cinematic 16.9, photorealistic, shallow depth of field. Within 30 seconds, 4 high-quality options. I pick one, upscale it, download it. For thumbnails, I use Midjourney to generate the background visual, then bring it into Canva to add text and branding. What I'm saving? No more briefing a designer, waiting 48 hours, paying for revisions. I generate 10 visual concepts in an hour and pick the best one. Note, if your business generates over $1 million annually, you need the Pro tier for commercial licensing. For everyone else, Standard covers you completely. Tool number 3, 11 Labs, $22 a month on the starter plan. This replaced my voiceover artist entirely. I record 0 audio for my channel. Every piece of narration is 11 Labs, processed at 1.15x speed for pacing. But it goes further than that. 11 Labs lets you clone your own voice. 30 minutes of recording submitted through their voice lab, and it builds a model that sounds exactly like you. Creators are using this to narrate in 4 languages simultaneously, English, Spanish, Portuguese, Hindi, without recording a single take in any of them. The process: write your script, paste it into 11 Labs, select your voice, hit generate, download the MP3, done. What I was paying before, $500 a month for a VO artist to record, edit, and deliver clean audio. What I pay now? $22. Tool number 4, Descript, $12 a month on the creator tier. This replaced my video editor for day-to-day, quick turnaround work. Descript converts any video into a transcript and lets you edit it like a document. Delete a sentence in the transcript, and the corresponding footage is cut. Remove the word from the script, gone from the audio. It's genuinely one of the most impressive pieces of software I've used. For short-form content, I use Descript to cut 60-second clips from long-form videos. Select the best quote, trim, add auto captions, export. 2 minutes total. What I was paying before, $800 to $1,200 a month for a video editor with 2-day turnarounds. Descript handles the repeatable work in-house. I only outsource the heavy narrative editing on long-form videos now. Tool number 5, Zapier. $20 a month on the starter plan. This replaced my virtual assistant for recurring workflows. Zapier connects over 5,000 apps and automates what used to be manual tasks. Every time someone fills out my contact form, Zapier creates a Notion record, sends them a templated email, and drops a Slack notification to me. Zero manual work. When a new subscriber joins my list, Zapier fires a welcome sequence in MailChimp, adds them to a Google Sheet, and tags them based on the source page. I have a Zap that monitors Gmail for invoice keywords, extracts the amount, logs it in a spreadsheet, and flags anything over $500 for manual review. What I was paying a VA for: sorting inboxes, calendar management, data entry, scheduling. Zapier handles the automatable portion of that entirely. Let me put this in numbers. Before this stack, copywriter, $1,200, designer, $1,500, VO artist, $500, video editor, $1,000, VA, $1,000, total, $6,200 a month. After this stack, Claude Pro, $20, Midjourney, $30, 11 Labs, $22, Descript, $12, Zapier, $20, total, $104 a month. That is a 98% reduction in cost. Annual savings, over $72,000. These are real numbers from my own setup. The tools are not perfect replacements for every scenario, but for the repeatable high-volume work, they're faster, cheaper, and available at 2 in the morning. If you want to go deeper on any of these tools, full setup walkthroughs, exact prompts, and how to chain them together, I cover that in every video on this channel. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. All 5 affiliate links are in the description. Most have a free trial so you can test before committing. I'll see you in the next one.